Hello everyone, Cheryl Ann here with another completed journal for you today. This one has a really unique sunflower fabric. It's black it's got gold throughout it and sunflowers, and I've never seen anything like it. This one is 5.5 by 9 inches, so it's 9 inches tall, 5.5 inches wide. She has 3 signatures, a fabric closure that kind of matches the sunflowers, and 128 pages and lots of tucks and pockets. And this is one of my fabric snippet pieces. I have another one here in the inside back cover, and I just really enjoy using these. So there are a couple more throughout. Here's a side view. Lots of fabric, lots of texture, lots of color in this one. I will list the digital artists that I used. I don't have those notes with me. I'm at our daughter's house because she has this lovely table here in her big dining room, living room, kitchen. They're out with the dogs, so I'll take this quiet time to... Lots of journaling cards, and if they're not a hard journaling card, then I glued some nice paper on the back, and I sewed all the way around the edges. Oh, the paper is either lightly tea dyed or it's sprayed with the, see, that's the Dilutions. You know, I love the crinkly paper, but sometimes I like to put in a page that isn't tea stained or water stained. And that's the end of the first signature. Here's the second. These are lovely digital prints. Oh, this one is one of my favorite fabrics with the bees. This is one of my little snippet rolls, and then I sewed on, I think that's from Mrs. Cogs. Some really nice fabric throughout. This one's very cheerful and sunny. This one is, this one I used watercolor paint. I splattered it. So you can get an idea here. That's Honeypuddle. She has such cute things. You get an idea of the colors. Wouldn't you just love to take this one outside under a tree and just, write and observe? And that's Mrs. Cogs. Okay, and here's the third signature. That's from Pixabay. They have free, I used to have some of my photos on Pixabay. They have, you can post your photos and then people can use them free, copyright free, public domain. So I need to add some more. It's the middle. Just lots of things to see and feel and enjoy. I love that fabric. That's that duck cloth. I get that at Hobby Lobby. Here's one of the journaling cards that goes into a little tuck. Oh, I included an extra piece of one of my snippet rolls. And then this is an envelope. And I didn't want to fold it, so I just tucked those in there. And then this is the back page. This is the back. This is the side view. And this is the top view. She will be in my Etsy shop, which is Deserts and Beyond. I'm going to put her in there today. So come by and take a look. Until next time, bye for now.